Hey guys, it's D Allen with the Allen Turner Home Team, and we're going to do another update. We're going to do a market update for 30022, which is my zip code where I live. It's in Johns Creek, great part of North Atlanta to live in, North Fulton County. But there's some interesting information here that's really pretty reflective of what's going on throughout the metro. A couple of exceptions, but generally speaking, this is going to cover some of the trends that we could point out just about anywhere out there. So let me get out of the way and we'll get started. Now remember, these numbers, actual numbers that you'll see, are doubled because we're using both of the local MLS services, multiple listing services. So there's really a little over 300 listings in 30022, not 600. But the percentages are comparable. But the listings are flat. There was no growth between May and June. You can see that right here. Flat. That is like really flat. 0.2%. So, but the reason for that is, fact is that there were quite a few new listings, even though there were only half of that. But that's like 20 new listings in our little zip code, which is quite a few when you consider the price point of the area. But also, about the same number fell out of the market, fell off, walked away, expired, withdrew for a number of reasons. Obviously, they didn't sell, so that's the reason that they came off the market. But usually, that is in a great neighborhood like ours. Usually, that is because the house was really truly not ready for market. So that's another topic for another day. But it probably needed a little work to meet the demands of today's consumer. But days on the market's up 10%. No, not a big deal, not unexpected. You kind of go through the summer months, people are on vacation and that sort of thing, and things start to drag a little bit during the summer, during the height of the vacation season, which seems to be shorter these days because they just started school again yesterday. Price reductions are up 400. Five doesn't seem like many, which is really probably two or three. So that doesn't seem like a lot of price reductions. I believe that number is going to rise in July. I think you will see that to be the case. The average list price was down, even though that's pretty high. 676 is pretty high, but that's down 4%. And as you see over here, it's been dropping steadily. We've been talking for the last couple of months, prices are leveling off. That doesn't mean the overall average price is not going to go up and continue to go up, but it's going to be a much slower pace in that 3 to 4% range versus the 10 to 12% range that we've seen in some instances the last few years. So keep your eye on that number. That should spur some to greatness now that prices have leveled off, and hopefully they'll bring some new inventory in, knowing that there's no need to wait. Let's get your house on the market. Okay, these are the hot listings. Of course, the most expensive, $3.5 million. Call me if you want to go see that one. I'll make the time. A couple of great new listings here. Covington Cove, Eller Drive. Eller's a really super cool neighborhood down by the river. Anyway, give us a call. We can update your neighborhood. We'd be happy to. You just tell us what neighborhood you want us to check on, and we can check on and put you in your neighborhood right here on Allen Turner TV. So give us a call, D. Allen, 678-206-6041, or Nick Turner, 770-490-1427. We look forward to hearing from you real soon.